corporates. Now we are discussing on companies accounts second amendment rules, MCA's new disclosure rules 2025, effective from July 14th July 2025. So welcome to this comprehensive session on the company's accounts second amendment rules 2025, notified by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. This amendment marks a major reform in India's corporate compliance landscape. This is effective from 14th July 2025. The changes are primarily focused on enhancing board report disclosures, ensuring gender-sensitive workplace reporting, promoting transparency in statutory compliance, and introducing mission-readable e-forms for regulator-friendly data analysis. And here the legal foundation of this amendment is, there are so many sections are involved. So this amendment is notified GSR 357E on May 30th, 2025. This is a notification dated 30th May 2025 in exercise of powers conferred under the following provisions of the Companies Act. So I'll read out the sections. Section 128, books of accounts. Section 129, financial statements. Section 133, accounting standards. Section 134, boards report. 135, CSR, corporate social responsibility. Section 136 of Companies Act, right to receive financial statements. Section 137, filing with ROC. Section 138, internal audit. So these are, and one more important section, ready with section 469. This is this gives the power, rule making powers. So this is the legal base, legal foundation. This notification dated 30th May 2025 and effective from 14th July. The amendment modifies several rules under Companies Account Rule 2024. I'll read out the rules also. Rule 5 format change, because the Rule 5 reference to AOC-1 changed to E-form AOC-1. So this is part of boards shift from physical or static forms to structured digital E-forms, AOC-1, E-form AOC-1. And Rule 8 changes to boards report. Sub-Rule 5, Rule 8 has two significant insertions. Clause 9, sexual harassment reporting. Now companies must mandatorily disclose the in the board's reports under PoSH Act. See, the number of compliance report received during the financial year, and number of complaints disposed of during the year under PoSH Act, and number of complaints pending more than 90 days. So these disclosure will promote transparency and accountability in ensuring safe workplace. And another clause, clause 13, maternity benefit compliance. So new clause has been inserted, requiring company to include statement of compliance with respect to Maternity Benefit Act 1961. So this ensures acknowledgement of statutory benefits provided to women employees. Another rule, Rule 12, Sub-Rule 1C inserted, mandatory extract filing. So new Sub-Rule 1C, every company that files E-form AOC-4, E-form AOC-4 CFS, so E-form AOC-4 XBRL, and E-form AOC-4 NBFC, E-form AOC-4 CFS, Consolidated Financial Statement NBFC. So must file following three separate E-forms. One is extract of board report, extract of auditor report standalone, and third one extract of auditors report consolidated. So the important note is here, companies must continue attaching signed full PDF of financial statements, board report, auditors report, as required under Section 134. So why this matters? What are the implications? So these changes have deep compliance implications. Yes, better governance. So formal disclosures on gender compliance and mission readable data now. So easier monitoring and analysis by MCA and regulators. So while reporting, we have to take care of everything because it is a mission readable, and increased director responsibility. board report accuracy is now more crucial. New filing button, a separate e-form must be prepared in addition to the traditional filing. So, new and revised e-forms notified as per the amendments. So, the annexes of the company's accounts rules 2014 has been revised. So, these are the e-forms have been substituted. We can say added. Form AOC1, the purpose is subsidiary associate summary. Form AOC2, related party transactions. AOC4, standalone financials. AOC-4 CFS, consolidated financials. AOC-4 NBFC, Indias. This is for non-banking financials, non-bank NBFC companies. And AOC-4 CFS, consolidated financials. NBFC, consolidated for non-banking financial companies. CSR2, CSR reporting, extract of board report. This is the new standalone. Extract of board report. This is the new consolidated. So all these are now to be filed in e-form format. So compliance steps for corporates. So immediate action, there is plan for companies. Review your board report format. Add PoSH and maternity complaints disclosures. So train internal team HR and CS for accurate tracking. Update your AOC4 filings to include the new extract e-forms. So the legal risk, false reporting. Companies must take a note of section 448, 447, 449 of Companies Act 2013. Section 448 says no punishment for false statement. If any written report, certificate, financial statement, other document, any person makes a false statement knowing it to be false or omits any material fact, then punishable with imprisonment up to 10 years and fine up to 10 lakh rupee or more. And also section 449 of Companies Act 2013 says punishment for false evidence, false statement under the oath attract imprisonment not less than 3 years, may extend to 7 years, and liability fine. So accuracy and verification are paramount. So comparative summary before and after. If you see PoSH before July 14th, 2025, it was not there. So not detailed. So after 14th July 2025, it is a mandatory with data. Maternity Act not recommended earlier. Now it is mandatory statement. Extract of forms earlier not required. Now 3 new forms are required. Terminology also now e-form, earlier form. Filing style also structured plus PDF. So the professional guidance for CS, CS and CFOs. So company secretaries update boards report templates and include rule-based declarations and maintain proof of disclosures. Chartered accountants prepare extracts of auditor's report in new e-forms. Coordinate with the XBRL and AOC-4 team. And particularly, this CFOs and compliance head align HR and finance and secretarial functions. So prepare a checklist-based calendar. Now the conclusion is MCA has taken a bold step towards gender inclusive, transparent, and digital reporting. So the amendment pushes India closer to global standards in governance and accountability. So Companies Act before 14th July 2025 to avoid last-minute compliances. So my final suggestion, conduct board level awareness session. That would be better. Integrate PoSH and maternity tracking in HRMs too. That would be better. Keep ROC filing system updated with the latest e-form versions. So like, share and subscribe to stay updated with India's changing corporate laws and latest MCA notifications. So hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the latest notifications. We have 2 channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe to 2 channels so that you will not miss any of the latest updates. RR corporates and RR legal talks. 2 channels. Thank you.